Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's top 10 cryptocurrencies. We'll be starting from Bitcoin all the way down to Polygon, MATIC. Let's get straight to it. Bitcoin against USDT. Yes, sir. We still have a target over here. No, okay. Two targets over here. $15,200 and $14,000. We're at 16,922. Are we going to, hit all the way down towards 14,000? Excuse me. Or are we going to be seeing some sort of a reversal from here? We are not too sure ourselves. So that's why we're being very, very cautious about going to a trade too soon for Bitcoin, right? The thing is, we're just not too sure. Imagine when things are here, right? There was a small little rally and be like, let's start DCAing. Imagine if you DCA in at 25,000 and we head towards 15 or 14,000, you'd be like, yeah, right. But anyway, we've been counting waves, and for Bitcoin, we can count 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So the question we ask is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? 15,000 here? Or are we going to head towards 15,200 first? Or are we going to head towards 14,000 before we see a real true bottom coming for Bitcoin? Or are we going to head towards the CME gap over here at about 9,000 before we see some sort of a bullish reversal? Which is going to happen? I'm not too sure. And the only way for us to find out is if we get clear bullish reversals, or if we see buying pressure coming in to push the price past, let's say for example, 22,000. I think the moment we take out 22,000, these highs, I would consider us as more likely than not to be heading much higher, right? So yeah, that's our take for Bitcoin. Just know, things are just not really that clear, right? If anything, we're still under the skinny pink line, so obviously we will still remain with our bearish bias. I would love to switch bullish, but I don't see the bullishness coming in yet, right? There are some signs of bullishness, and there are also some signs of bearishness, right? Bullishness would be volume, right? Bullishness would be 5 waves in, right? Bearishness would be we're still under the skinny pink line. We still have downside targets. We still have the CME gap. Right, so yeah, I mean we are not here to be right. We're here to make money, and to make money you need to take risk, and when you take risk you might lose everything. So it's very important to manage your risk by taking the smallest risk possible, right? So yeah, there you go. Moving on will be Ethereum, and not to rush into anything. If you're not sure, just wait. Ethereum against BTC. Yeah, this is a value one. I'm not so sure if this is going to be a small value two, cup and handle, or if we're going to be dipping a little bit lower, ascending triangle, right? Value one, value two, value three. Pooh! That will be Ethereum BTC. Yes, no? Not too sure. We are just not too sure. Ethereum against USDT. Here we are. We still have a 666 target. Our devil target. Again, we're still under the skinny pink line. Still in a bearish trend. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? Nope. And you can see that every time we rally, we get pulled down. Right. I mean, of course, if we do rally back up towards the skinny pink line, this would be great. Which means that this could potentially be a symmetrical triangle. And we could be heading higher, right? And you can see that once Ethereum rises, right, it falls very slowly. Very, very slowly, right? So for example, from the very bottom here to the very top here, how long did it take? 33 days, right? From the very top here to the very bottom here, how long did it take? 86 days. 33 days to rise, 86 days to drop. So yeah, you can see that the strength is towards the upside. But the thing is, where's the bullish reversal, right? Could we still take out the lows over here at 881? Of course, for sure. This is not what I would consider as a reversal yet. So stay safe. BNB against BTC. Yeah, so BNB is the one that's already out of the resistance, right? We've already broken out, and we are heading much higher for BNB against BTC. We are still consolidating, and you can see that BNB is so freaking strong against BTC. Any clear signs of slowing down? No. Again, we're consolidating. BNB likes to consolidate first before a pew break, right? Again, another consolidation before a pew break. Yeah, looks like it potentially. We're still above the skinny pink line, so we remain with our bullish bias for BNB BTC. BNB USDT, we're still under the skinny pink line. So you can see that on one pair we are bullish, and on another pair we are bearish. So you see that? Do you see that? Even though we are in a downtrend, BNB is not as down as BTC. BTC is very down. BNB is not as down. Yeah. So how do you see this difference? The BNB BTC pair. So you would know that your money will go further if you were to put it into BNB rather than in BTC. Right. A lot of poop could be slung at CZ, Binance, but the charts don't lie. Right. Hips don't lie. Charts don't lie. And it's not gonna change my perspective on things. I still trust CZ. I know that there's a lot of FUD going on, but again, you need to sift through all the bullshit to come to what's behind the curtain, right? So yeah, I still trust CZ at this point. I mean, of course, if things come to light that CZ is doing something funny, right, then of course we will be making preparations for that, right? Like for example, for FTT, it was quite oh, it's already removed from, oh, it's still in Bitfinex. Okay. No, it's not. Oh, okay, right. Okay, I'm just gonna have to use this. So for FTT against USD, we actually saw this, right? This was the head and shoulders that came for FTT. Very clear head and shoulders. Something very, 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 very wrong, and then pump, we collapsed, right? If you look at BNB, we don't see it. It is not obvious, right? But FTT is obvious. BNB, not obvious. So I think we'll probably see on the charts first if there's something going on behind the scenes, right? Moving on will be XRP against BTC. Yeah, XRP BTC, solid, still above the skinny pink line, right? We've been kissing the skinny pink line so many times. Pew, we broke out and we are above the skinny pink line. So if anything, we are in a bullish trend. I hope so. I don't know if we're going to be slamming all the way back down under the skinny pink line, or we're going to be consolidating to head higher. We're not too sure. It would be great though if you could have a proper consolidation, right? Proper chart pattern, maybe a symmetrical of sorts. And yeah, maybe we could consider taking a trade for XRP BTC. But until that happens, we are not going to rush into anything. XRP against USDT doesn't look good. Excuse me. XRP against USDT, we're still under the skinny pink line. Still in a bearish trend. If anything, yeah, we're anticipating the completion of a head and shoulders before we head towards potentially, that's something that's going to happen, potentially 16.5 cents. That's going to be brutal. We are at 37 cents right now. It's about half. But then again, XRP BTC is really bullish. So maybe we might also turn bullish over here, right? How will we turn bullish? Yeah, we get valleys, right? Maybe an ascending triangle instead, and we head higher. That will be for XRP USDT. Where else? Dogecoin against Bitcoin. So for Dogecoin against Bitcoin, yeah, we're already above the skinny pink line against BTC. A lot of the top coins, they are already above the skinny pink line against BTC, already in a bullish trend, right? And Dogecoin has a knack of, after breaking out, it goes consolidating for a little while before another breakout, right? Consolidation, right? Another one, maybe, yes, no, not too sure. We're not too sure. I think that there should be another one, but we're not too sure of things. We're above the skinny pink line though, so yeah, if anything, we'll be expecting more upside for Dogecoin BTC. Dogecoin USDT paints a different picture. We're still under the skinny pink line. We've been making attempts to break the skinny pink line, but we failed, right? We've made an attempt again, but we are failing again. Are we going to get a head and shoulders over here? Just like XRP? We don't know. I mean, of course, the best case scenario is we don't form head and shoulders. We just keep going sideways, right? We just move sideways. And we just, don't revisit. As long as we don't revisit the support line over here, right? As long as you don't visit the support line, you'll be good. Yeah, but we just need to go sideways. But of course, the USDT pair usually is sensitive towards BTC. If BTC continues dropping, it is going to pull Dogecoin down with it. So stay safe. Be careful. Where's next? ADA against BTC. Yeah, still bearish, right? But ADA has potential to turn bullish though. A, B, C, D, E, we break higher. Right, ADA BTC, something like that. Yes, no, we're not too sure. We're not too sure. We will love it once we see a D. Maybe we get an E before we break higher. Something like that. A, B, C, D, E. Best case scenario, right? Best bullish case scenario. Of course, we might not get what we want, and we may just start dropping and take out the lows over here, right? So yeah, so that's like I was saying. If you could go sideways, this would be great, because usually when a bear trend ends, we'll go sideways for a while before going back up, right? Look at this, down, sideways for a while before going back up, right? Down, sideways, up. So we are hoping for this to happen. We're hoping, but yeah, we will have to take things one step at a time, right? The bearish trend is still intact. ADA against USDT, yes sir, we still have our 26 cents target over here. We're at 30 cents, another 4 more cents to go. Probably we'll hit 26 cents, and then maybe we might see some sort of a bullish reaction, right? We're severely oversold, and yeah, there should be a rally. But we're still in a bearish trend, so as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain bias bearish for ADA. Doesn't mean we're going to stop at 26. We could still head towards the noisy area over here, probably around 15 cents, right? So yeah, again, we're just not too sure. So when you're not too sure, what do? Nothing. We be patient and we wait for the opportunity to present itself. MATIC against BTC, we're already in a bullish trend, right? We're already above the okay, this is a resistance line. Resistance lines, once broken, become support line. We're right above support. Hopefully, if support holds, MATIC BTC could continue higher towards target. We had a target over here, 10,980. We got this target. When did we get this target? Yes, on the 14th of November, which is about a month ago. Yeah, we're expecting more upside to come for MATIC against BTC. But just because we're bullish against BTC doesn't mean you're going to see MATIC USDT start rising as well, because MATIC USDT is still under the skinny pink line, right? So as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we have to remain bias bearish. Sure, if we break the skinny pink line, this will be great. But at this point of time, we're still not too sure, right? Against BTC, yeah, things are much clearer. Against USD, it's not too clear. So yeah, we still have a downside target over here though. So this could be a head and shoulders. We could still head towards 45 cents, right? I mean, of course, it'd be great if we break higher, but we need to see the strength of the rally coming first before making any decision to go long. Yeah, so again, we're being very, very cautious. We're not going to be rushing into anything. Yes, we are kissing the skinny pink line. We could be breaking it though. So yeah, it'd be great if it is accompanied by a bullish sharp pattern, but I don't see it yet, right? Maybe this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First impulsive wave towards the upside, and then we see a corrective wave down, ABC, right? So this could be a wave 1, come down, wave 2, go up, wave 3, down, wave 4, and then a wave 5. Perfect! This will be perfect, but yeah, again, this is the best bullish case scenario, but we don't see it yet, so yeah, we're staying patient. All right, I guess that's it for today's Crypto Top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Right, see you. Ta-da.